Sisi Girls, meron tayong bagong dress. This is our Celeste dress, kaya dapat i-mine nyo na to. Oh, may nag-comment? Ha? Meron tao sa likod? Oh, hi Raco, nandiyan ka pala.
Live para to?
Yes, samahan mo ako, halika.
Sige.
Okay guys, meron tong 4 non-working buttons at meron tong waist tie. Kaya naman, mag-mine na kayo. At later, itutuloy natin ang ating live selling.
Yeah, see you later. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's still me, Raco Ruiz, and we're here on Straight from the Expert. On today's episode, we're joined by Miss Jam Añago.
Hello!
Yes, Jam is in charge of Jamazing Apparel, which is an online selling platform online. Jam, what can you tell us about online selling? Kasi I caught you in the middle of online selling kanina, diba? So, kamusta yun as a business, as a whole?
Well, as a business, maganda yung online selling kasi you can cater any buyers around the Philippines while just being at home. When it comes to profit, ang ganda talaga at less expensive kapag online selling.
Yes, parang yung tindahan pupunta sa'yo. So, kailan ka nag-start mag-online selling?
I started online selling 2021 during pandemic kasi everyone naman is at home as a work from home girly na namimiss mag-shopping. Ang ginawa ko is, nag-resell kami ng items from Taytay. Then, binento namin ito lahat sa aming mga friends, families, sa hometown namin. And after many months, ang ganda lang kasi nakapag-manufacture na kami ng aming own items.
So, how do you make sure na angat yung products niyo versus sa iba?
Well, number one, Raco, since manufacturing kami, we make sure na affordable yung items namin. Secondly is, high quality yung items namin. And thirdly is, very specific yung target market namin, which are dresses for churchgoers sa Philippines.
So, yun yung target audience yung pala, yung mga churchgoers. Kaya puro Sunday dress yung mga binibenta niyo.
Yes, it is actually inspired vintage church dresses.
Oh, medyo timeless nga yung look niya eh. So, curious na ako, ang daming platforms online kung saan ka pwede magbenta online, di ba? So, ano yung pinaka-okay sa'yo?
I've tried Facebook, Instagram, Shopee, and TikTok. But of them all, TikTok talaga kami kumikita ng mas malaki. Let's say, from live selling, 80% of our total live selling or online revenue is from TikTok.
Pero ikaw ba, do you have gimmicks when you sell online?
Siguro, ang nagawa ko pa lang is viral memes. Pero, for mga gimmicks, pag magla-live selling kami, namimigay kami ng freebies. Meron kami ng discounts. And even, meron kami mga games. Para something ganon, para mas ma-boost at ma-show ng mga consumers namin yung mga items na suot nila.
Ito pa, may question ako sa'yo. Kasi medyo challenge yung keeping up with memes, di ba? So ano pa yung mga challenge na fina-face mo as an online seller?
Well, number one siguro is yung mga bogus buyers.
Okay. Pero may nawala bang funds sa inyo dahil or hindi naman?
Wala na.
Effort lang and
Yes.
time. Okay. Paano mo iniiwasan yung mga bogus buyer na yun?
So, ang ginagawa namin, pag hindi sila nagre-response is, inaantay din talaga namin. Para just to make sure na hindi sila bogus buyers. And if ever may mga bogus buyers kami, we make sure na we take note at binablock namin sila agad para hindi na maulit.
Grabe naman, huwag kayong maging bogus buyer dyan, ha? Sobrang hassle nyo para sa mga kumikita lang ng, honest living. Naisip ko rin, baka maging challenge sa inyo yung baka may gumaya sa designs nyo or may magbenta ng similar items after seeing na, wow, yung Jamazing parang patok yung mga Sunday dress nila. May mga nangyari na masayang ganun, parang may gumaya sa products nyo.
Yes, actually, minsan yung mga resellers kasi namin is binebenta nila yung same item. But what we do now is, we provide exclusive designs sa aming mga resellers.
Kumbaga, gagawa kayo ng design na para sa reseller lang.
Yes.
And may design kayo na exclusive sa inyo.
Yes, exactly.
Magandang